Looking to boost your protein intake? Here are 21 protein-packed foods to fuel your body. 1. Potatoes. One medium potato gives you 4.3 grams of protein, a surprising source of plant power. 2. Eggs. One large egg delivers 6 grams of high-quality protein, simple and nutritious. 3. Tofu. In just 100 grams, tofu provides 8 grams of plant-based protein, perfect for vegetarians. 4. Peanut butter. 2 tablespoons offer 8 grams of protein, delicious and packed with energy. 5. Milk. 1 cup of whole milk contains 8 grams of protein, classic and versatile. 6. Greek yogurt. With 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, it's a creamy, protein-rich snack. 7. Oats. Power up your mornings. 100 grams of oats contain 18 grams of protein, filling and nutritious. 8. Paneer. This Indian favorite packs 18 grams of protein per 100 grams, delicious and satisfying. 9. Cashews. Crunchy and protein-packed, 100 grams deliver 18 grams of protein. 10. Chickpeas. These legumes provide 19 grams of protein per 100 grams, great for soups and salads. 11. Black chickpeas. Even better, 100 grams give you 20 grams of protein, small but mighty. 12. Almonds. Snack smart with 21 grams of protein per 100 grams, perfect on the go. 13. Fish. Salmon is a protein powerhouse, delivering 22 grams per 100 grams, plus heart-healthy fats. 14. Kidney beans. A vegetarian staple, 100 grams offer 24 grams of protein, budget-friendly and nutritious. 15. Mung beans. Another plant-based champ with 24 grams of protein per 100 grams, tiny but mighty. 16. Peanuts. A crunchy favorite, 100 grams contain 26 grams of protein, an easy snack boost. 17. Lentils. Versatile and filling, 100 grams provide 26 grams of plant-based protein, perfect for any meal. 18. Meat. 100 grams of roasted meat deliver 27 grams of high-quality protein, a carnivore's delight. 19. Chicken breast. Lean and powerful, 100 grams contain 31 grams of protein, a fitness favorite. 20. Soybeans. A plant-based protein giant with 36 grams of protein per 100 grams, incredibly nutritious. 21. Soya chunks. The ultimate protein punch. 100 grams deliver a whopping 52 grams of protein. Fuel your body with these protein-rich foods and crush your health goals. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more nutrition-packed videos. Thanks for watching.